Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You must begin with a concise, honest assessment. Note triggers, frequency, and context right now. Once done, set a specific goal, reduce episodes by 50% in 30 days, and commit to it aloud. Make sure to implement immediate barriers. Block sites, log out, and enable app timers. You'll also choose one daily accountability check with a trusted person. These steps stop automatic relapse and give you measurable progress, so start them today and track everything consistently. Once initial barriers are in place, replace urges with dependable alternatives. Pick 10 to 30-minute activities you enjoy and can access instantly. Make structure non-negotiable. Morning exercise, consistent sleep, and focused work blocks reduce vulnerability. Pair these with therapeutic techniques, cognitive reframing to shift meaning, urge surfing to let cravings pass, and daily journaling to track progress. Also, schedule regular social contact and skill practice. To finish and maintain change, set a weekly review where you analyze wins and slipping patterns, then adjust your plan. Make sure you have long-term supports, therapist, support group, and an accountability partner who checks in regularly. If a relapse occurs, don't shame yourself. Analyze the trigger, shorten your next goal, reset barriers, and reach out for immediate support. One key troubleshooting tip: when things go wrong, pause, document the sequence, and implement one small, immediate fix before rebuilding momentum.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.